Trains on all services exiting Bath are delayed by 5 minutes on arrival to each subsequent stop. A businessman travels from Bath to York and needs to spend an hour in Birmingham for a meeting. He wants to get to York as early as possible. What percentage of his journey time is due to delays and his stop in Birmingham? First, we know that these 4 trains are going to be delayed by 5 minutes on arrival. He's got to take one of them. So, let's find out the new arrival times for Birmingham. We have 1, 2, 3 stops, so they're all going to be delayed by 15 minutes at arrival in Birmingham. So the 7:20 will now arrive at 7:35, and then 8:25 for the next one, 8:35, and 9:15. So now we need to account for his hour meeting. Let's add these on to his arrival times. So for example, he'd finish at 8:35 here, 9:25, 9:35, and 10:15. So let's have a look at what trains he could get from there. So if we're going from Birmingham, obviously this one is out because this one arrives at 7:35 and departs shortly after that. He's looking for a train that he can get onto. So for example, if he got onto this one in the first place, his meeting can finish at 9:25, and then all the other trains will have left by then. So he's got to initially get onto this train. If his meeting finishes at 8:35, he's got 2 options for the trains to get. You get one of these 2. This one actually leaves the station at 9:15, or the 9:10. Since it's all trains that exit Bath are delayed by 5 minutes on arrival, this train doesn't exit Bath, so it's actually going to arrive at 12:13 as stated. So we want to get onto that train since it's going to arrive in York earlier than we expect. Let's have a look at the percentage of his journey time due to the delays now. His journey ends at 12:13 and started at 5:58. So his total journey time was 6 hours 15 minutes, which is 375 minutes. If we look at delays, well, we had 15 minutes of delays here, and then we had the meeting, 60 minutes, which is 75 minutes total. There are no delays on this last train since it didn't depart Bath. We need that as a percentage of his total journey time. 75 minutes divided by 375 minutes multiplied by 100, which is 20%.